All right, guys. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Once again, we're going to do prepositions. This is the third in the Chapter 9 series. So quiz yourself on prepositions. This is only going to take a couple of minutes, and then we're going to look at the prepositions flashcards that I made for you guys. Please feel free to copy down that link and use it for any kind of study purposes that you'd like. We're going to be using those in class when you guys come back. We're going to be using those in class when you guys come back on Friday. The bulk of my classes will come back on Friday after Terra Nova testing and in-view testing that we're going to have this week. So these are for your reference. Please use them. Please go through them. All right, quiz yourself on prepositions. Let's take a second to review our prepositions from Chapter 9. We'll look at these really fast. Once again, I'll probably get the spinning wheel of death. Just give it a second. Hopefully I won't, but we shall see. All right, here's our sentence structure. It's very important for you guys to remember the formula to follow when you're creating your sentences in Latin with regards to our prepositions, okay? Once we start adding extra stuff, it's going to get a little bit different and possibly a little bit more difficult. So if you got the basis of the formula, you're good to go. The first thing is you want to make sure that you have a subject. The subject goes first. So that's number one. Number one is the subject. Number two is the preposition. The prepositions are the ones that we've gone over already, and they are located right over here in this little sticky note right here, so that's good. The third thing that you want is your direct object, and weirdly enough, the last thing that goes in our sentence, the fourth thing, step number 4, is to add the verb, okay? So for example, we've got minimus prope vibrisa est. So if we're looking at this, minimus is our subject, prope is our preposition, vibrisa is our direct object, and est is our verb. There you go. Pretty simple. So minimus is near vibrisa. That's how that works. Okay? Pause the video if you want right now. Pause it and copy that down. Pause, copy down. Pause, copy down. Okay? I think it's very important for you guys to make sure that you have a good basis on what the formula is, because I'm telling you, all next week, that's what I'm going to be working on. Okay? So make sure you got that. Pause, copy down. Okay. Here we go. The first preposition that we're going to work on is the word away from, the preposition away from, and that is pronounced a, not e, but a. So if we were to use that in a sentence, minimus e balista curit, and this is directly from your book, minimus e balista curit, minimus is running away from the catapult, running away from the catapult. This is the same one straight from the book. All right. The next one we've got is prope, which means near. Okay. So Flavius prope miles est. Flavius is near the soldiers. Flavius is near the soldier. So this is our subject, this is our preposition, this is our direct object, this is our verb. That's how it works. Okay? The next one. Super. Super means on top of. Okay, guys, think of Superman. Duh. Okay? Think of Superman. Super, on top of. Vibrisa super mensa est. So vibrisa is on top of the table. Vibrisa is on top of the table. All right? All right, here we go. Sub. Sub. Definitely not difficult, guys. Come on. Sub, under. Okay? Minimus sub balista est. Minimus is under the catapult. There you go. Okay? Again, subject, preposition, direct object, and verb. All right? In. In. This means in. Not difficult. I know you can do it. In means in. Minimus in vibrisa est. Thank you, Brooks, for this sentence. Much appreciated. Minimus in vibrisa est. Minimus is inside vibrisa. Ew, vibrisa ate minimus. That's gross. But I'll bet that Lepidina's happy about it. Probably. All right, moving on. Circum. Circum means around. Minimus et vibrisa circum villa curunt. Minimus and vibrisa are running around the house. Guys, look at that word circum. Think of the circus. Circus is supposed to be like this round, tent, right? Think about circumnavigate. To circumnavigate is to navigate around something. Circumference, the measurement around a circle, okay? So super important for you to remember that one. Circum, around. I mispronounced that. Let me go back. Circum, around. Okay. All right, the next one, ad. Ad is the preposition to. Vibrisa ad vila curit. Vibrisa is running to the house. Vibrisa ad vila curit. Vibrisa is running to the house. Okay? And then we have pro, which is in front of. Mensa pro murum est. The table is in front of the wall. Here's our subject, mensa, which is table. Pro is in front of. Murum is wall, and est is. So the wall in front of the, the table in front of the wall is. Okay? All right, so that's that. Now we're going to take a second and look at these preposition flashcards. If we go back, let's go back to our first slide. It will take me a second. Hold on. I can't believe my computer's actually working this fast. This is insanity. All right, here we go. Sentence structure. Subject, preposition, direct object, verb. Okay. This Quizlet right here, once it pops up, you will see that the Quizlet that I have created for you has got sentences. Now, these are a lot like the words that we had up on the board on Friday. I had all of the subjects up on the board, plus prepositions, plus direct objects, plus verbs. This is a lot like that. This is only 18 sentences, though. Okay, you could get 600 different sentences. I mean, probably thousands of different sentences from what I have given you up on the board, just by combining different words. Okay. We want to make sure that it makes sense, though. Got to make sure they make sense. But there are 18 sentences here. We're going to click off of this one. Minimus is running away from Flavius. So the translation for that would be Minimus e Flavius curit. Okay? So Minimus away from Flavius is running. Okay? So remember those steps. Subject plus preposition plus direct object plus verb. That is how it goes. 4 steps. Subject, preposition, direct object, verb. Okay? Remember that they have to match up. So Minimus e Flavius curit. And Minimus is running away from Flavius. Flavius is running to the house. Flavius is running to the house. See if you can figure this one out. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. And here's your answer. There we go. Flavius ad vila curit. Ad vila curit. Okay, so Flavius is running to the house. All right, once again, here we go. 10 seconds. There we go. Julius and Flavius are near the soldiers. It will be Julius et Flavius prope milites sunt. Okay? 4. Vibrisa is near the window. I'm just kidding. Vibrisa is near the window. Vibrisa prope fenestra est. Okay? All right. I'm going to give you an opportunity to go through this Quizlet. The Quizlet is right up here. If you type in Quizlet.com/22229475/Chapter 9 Prepositions flashcards, you can see it right here. It's highlighted right here. If you put that into your browser, into your address window, you'll go straight to it. Okay? I encourage you to, if you want to, you can put up you can do the learn activity, and you can actually do, you can prompt it with the Latin, which lets you write the English. Perfectly acceptable. Totally okay with that. Okay? Or you can just practice and quiz yourself using the flashcards Go for it. It's so important, okay? On Friday, when I have all of my classes, this is what we're doing. I actually have flashcards for you. Do you see them? They are all right here. There they are. And let's see. Oh, fenestra. There you go. And ad. Okay, so I have all those flashcards. We're going to be doing competitions and stuff like that. I have 4 sets right now. I should have 6 very soon. So seriously, guys, study them. Okay, go through the videos, use them, and go back through your book. The next set of this videos, and the next set in these videos is going to be chapter 10, where we talk about Pandora and Lepidina, and we start talking about conjunctions. So we'll get into that really soon. Otherwise, these videos are going to be posted on YouTube and TeacherTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me over the weekend. I've got a billion things going on the weekend, so I'll get back to your email as quickly as possible. I've got some family things going on. But I mean, nothing bad. It's just family coming in town. Anyway, beside the point. So seriously though, email me if you have any questions, and we'll go from that. But I really encourage you guys to go through these videos and watch them and make sure that you understand what's going on. When you guys come in, we're going to have tons of awesome activities. So I'm looking forward to it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good weekend. Bye. Wale. Okay, seriously, now I have to press stop. I should have been more prepared. I'm just kidding. Bye.